Where am I, you ask? Just did load number 1 with the new engine. Dude, purrs like a kitten.
Twin Rivers Hotshot.
I thought when I got this truck back, being as if it was an engine swap. Sorry about the wind. And also, you know, basically a hybrid. This is a newer Ram. I have the year model before this, 2015 through 2018 block in this truck. I was thinking blah, 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 like diesel or clank, 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 clank. No, dude, quiet, torquey, real torquey. And I mean, it is just it's unbelievable, man. It's unbelievable. I was worried about this. Listen, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I keep it real on this channel, right? I've gotten minimal sleep in a month and a half. I slept good at first, and then it just couldn't sleep, man. Waking up, stressing on work, stressing on the business, you know? But, you know, the thing about it is, and this is no lie, if you're gonna make it work, you can make it work, period. If you're gonna make it work and you want it, you can make it work. Take it from me. I just did my trans and I did my motor. I hustled, man. I hustled. I did not lay down. My partner, when I started, had the same thing happen. He laid down. I have too much into this company, this business, to just lay it down. So, with that being said, let's check this load out. Nice and easy, light. It's a 20-mile run, so nothing crazy, but the perfect one to test this out. So let's look at it. Airbags are working good, by the way. Nice, easy. This might be 10, 11,000 pounds. Double stack. It's funny. These people told me since we have been off for a month and a half, we really haven't done a lot. They've been having to use other people, and they said it's been a disaster. Crates coming back, these collapsed on each other. They said it was just a nightmare. They were like happy to see me back up in there. This is like load 270 something for this company. But look what I did, man. Rebuilt the truck. Back to work. Did the trans. Back to work. You know what I'm saying? And like, that's what you gotta do. I blew my truck up hauling for this company. This one right here. It was double stacked all the way down. I did not record it because I was so sick. You know, I am living life too, man. This isn't all YouTube, but this is going to Maryland, and it's like maybe 2,000 pounds, 20 foot. It is paying me very, very well. It's gonna leave me like 20 foot of deck space. So wifey's on it right now, trying to find something to go with it and start trying to recoup some of this money I lost. These conveyors came off the block. So I stopped and I did a load check. I had to reposition these better, so it's gonna work now. I got one over the front of this, the back of that, and one in the middle because it's over 10 foot. Then I just got these going up, down, this one over the middle just to make it legal. That up, over, down. I'm out here, Virginia. This load right here is going an hour and a half from here. We found another load to put with this, and it's going to Virginia as well. So I push this pallet over, put another piece over there, right here, and it's paying $1,500, so maximizing my deck space. So I made it to Wichita Falls. I am over here. I'm about an hour and 45 minutes from home. Today is Sunday. This guy was cool enough. It is a job site, and he's actually, it looks like he's the GC or something, staying on site, but he told me to just bring it up here today. And I said, okay, man. So I'm gonna untarp this. It's really nothing special. And I'm gonna get down the road. That was it. $1,500 for that little pallet right there. The guy was cool. He let me drop on a Sunday, so we'll roll this up, roll this tarp up, and get back home. Oh, girl's running pretty good, man. I'm happy. So, first trip out. I ran this truck pretty hard this week. Now, I did not pull heavy, but the load I ran out there was 3,000 pounds. But I mean, we're talking 1,500 miles. So, 2 full days of 10 and a half, 11-hour days pulling with this truck. Then I grabbed that little bitty load just to go back home. Yes, I could have made more money, but the main thing with this was breaking my truck in correctly. So, you know, the load going home was 1,000 pounds. Did not put a whole bunch of strain on it, but I do have a 9,000 pound trailer, my 40-foot air ride trailer. It's a solid trailer. And then 3,000 on the deck there. 1,000 on the deck coming home. No issues, no overheating, no check engine lights. Broke it in just as I should. So kudos to Cameron from WizardWorks, man. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it. This is hotshotting, the real life hotshotting. Blowing your truck up, being home for a month and a half. Stressing, not sleeping, still running, hot shotting. See you guys on the next one. Bye.